Hello everyone. Welcome to the 35th video of the Adobe After Effects tutorial from beginner to advanced. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I recommend that you do. From the effects panel, I go to the color correction section and apply the black and white effect to the video. The black and white effect converts a color image to grayscale and provides control over how individual colors are converted. This effect has 6 colors that we can reduce or increase so that the color channel turns into a darker or lighter gray color. To tint the image with a color, press the tint button and select a color. You can also choose a color with the eyedropper. I delete this effect and add the brightness and contrast effect to the layer. This effect adjusts the brightness and contrast of an image. We can increase or decrease the brightness. Also, by increasing the contrast, bright colors become brighter and dark colors become darker. As a result, the image looks better. Finally, we adjust the brightness and contrast according to each image. Also, this button supports HDR, which is used for videos or raw photos. I delete this effect and add the broadcast colors effect to the layer. The broadcast colors effect changes the pixel color value to keep the signal range within the range allowed for broadcast television. The broadcast locale option shows the broadcast standard for your desired output. NTSC is the North American standard and is also used in Japan. PAL is also mostly used in Western Europe and South America. In the next menu, Reduce Luminance reduces the brightness of the pixel by moving it towards black. The Reduce Saturation option moves the color of the pixel towards gray of the same brightness, making the pixel less colorful. Use Keyout Unsafe and Keyout Safe for color safe mode to determine which part of the image will be affected by the broadcast colors effect at the current settings. As you can see, Keyout Safe turns the image black. The last option, Maximum Signal Amplitude, is the maximum signal amplitude in IR units. IR represents a scale invented by the International Society of Radio Engineers. It is basically designed to match the image display capabilities of early televisions. The default value is 110. Lower values affect the image more. I delete this effect and add the CC Color Neutralizer effect to the layer. We use this effect to improve and balance the color of the image, and it has 3 levels: shadows, mid-tones and highlights. The way to use this effect is that I take a sample of the dark areas of the image with the dropper. I also take a sample of the highlights and mid-tones. In this way, we can see that the color of the image is improved. Also, by opening each level, we can increase the color of red, green and blue. I increase the amount of red color for the dark areas, so the dark areas of the image turn red. Now, with Blend with Original, we can adjust the blending value of the layer with the effect. I delete this effect and add the CC Color Offset effect to the layer. This effect has 3 sliders that can be used to increase the amount of red, green, and blue. For example, I increase the red color, and as a result, the red color of the image increases. We can also increase green and blue colors. In the Overflow menu, the Polarize option increases the color intensity, and the Warp option causes the color to spread in some areas of the image. I delete this effect and add the CC Toner effect to the layer. In the Tones menu, Triton is selected by default, which gives us 3 levels of shadows, mid-tones and highlights. For example, I change the highlight color to red. As a result, the highlights in the image become red. Or I change the shadows color to green so that the dark areas are green. This time I choose Duotone. Now we can only change the color of highlights and shadows. I choose the Pentone option. 5 levels can be changed by selecting the Pentone option. For example, I make the brights yellow. In this way, we can see that the bright areas of the image turn yellow. We can also choose solid to create a color in the image. Now, with Blend with Original, we can adjust the blending value of the layer with the effect. I reduce the amount of solid composition. In this way we can combine the color of the solid with the image. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial till the end. Please like the video and leave a comment for me. Subscribe to see more tutorials. See you next time.